I'm turning the kitchen into a mini lab today, because everyday chemistry is literally what makes dinner delicious, and your sink sparkle. When I sear a steak or toast bread, that deep brown color and nutty aroma, that's the Maillard reaction. Amino acids from proteins, high-fiving sugars at hot temperatures to build hundreds of new flavors. Want more browning? Pat things dry and crank the heat. Moisture is the enemy of crisp. Caramelization is sugar's solo act. Heat plain sugar, it breaks down and rearranges into complex, bittersweet goodness. That's why onions go from sharp to sweet as they slowly caramelize. Low and slow lets the chemistry happen without burning. Leavening is kitchen air engineering. Baking soda plus an acid, like yogurt lemon, releases CO2 bubbles that lift batter. Baking powder is the pre-mixed version, often double acting, so it pops once when wet and again in the oven. If I swap buttermilk for regular milk, I balance the acid by reducing baking powder and adding baking soda. Emulsions are peace treaties between oil and water. Mayonnaise, salad dressing, hollandaise, egg yolk. Mustard supplies emulsifiers that hug both sides and keep tiny droplets from separating. Add oil slowly and whisk like you mean it. If it breaks, a spoon of water in a clean bowl plus slow drizzle usually saves it. Salt isn't just flavor, it's physics. Brining meat lets salty water move into muscle fibers via osmosis, loosening proteins so they retain more juice. In bread, salt tightens gluten and controls yeast, so your loaf rises evenly instead of blowing out like a balloon. Now, cleaning. Grease is non-polar, so water alone shrugs. Surfactants in soap are part water-loving, part oil-loving. They surround grease and lift it away. Hot water helps by softening fats. Mineral stains? Acids like vinegar dissolve alkaline deposits, which is why vinegar clears limescale. But keep acids away from natural stone. Baking soda is mildly basic and gently abrasive, great for deodorizing and scrubbing. That viral volcano with vinegar? Fun, but the fizz mostly cancels both. Use them separately, acid for scale, base for grime. Bleach oxidizes stains and kills microbes, but it's not a degreaser. And never mix it with ammonia or acids. Dangerous gases happen fast. So yeah, every sizzle, bubble, and sparkle is chemistry doing work. Master the reactions, and your kitchen becomes a lab with snacks at the end. Now go experiment, safely,